Hello everyone, well today I'm going to be unboxing and having a first look at this Shark DuoClean cord-free vacuum. Now at the time of making this video, this is on offer direct from Shark UK or most major retailers for $199.99, so under £200 for a cordless vacuum isn't bad. So let's unbox it and see what it's like. As this is the most affordable in the Shark cordless range, you don't get some of the extras. For example, this model only comes with one battery. Some Shark models do come with two of these lithium-ion power packs. Also, you don't get a powered pet tool with this machine either. So basically, you get the unit itself, and no matter what cleaner you go for in the cordless range, at the moment anyway, the basic unit is more or less the same apart from differing colours. So this is where the battery pack slots into. Let's make sure I get it in the right way. No, that's the right way. And with this Shark, you can charge the battery out of the unit or in it. There's a little charging port there, so we can plug in the included charger and charge the battery that way. Or you can remove the battery and just charge it separately out of the unit. Now, having a removable battery, of course, has the advantage you can, if you want to buy another battery for this, you can do. They do cost around £60 to £70 though. In a smaller home, you might find one battery is adequate, but in a larger home, you're probably better going for the twin battery models to start with. With this particular one, we get rather fetching sort of satin blue tube, and of course it has the Flexology technology, which means it'll go under low furniture with this special joint here, but it also means the machine will stand on its own. You can fold it over and store it away, so you don't have to have this in a charging dock. I'll show you that in a moment. The three small tools you get include this dusting brush, a crevice tool, and your sort of upholstery furniture nozzle. You also get a handy canvas bag to put it in. There are optional tools available on Shark's website, including an under appliance wand, so you can get all those dust bunnies and crumbs from under your major appliances in your kitchen. So that's a handy feature if you want to buy one of those. Here is the main head, and of course it features Shark's DuoClean technology. So not only does it incorporate a rotating brush, we've also got this soft roller at the front, which helps the Shark to pick up larger particles on carpets and floors. And when cleaning hard floors, it also helps to remove fine dust and gives your floors a little bit of a polish as it cleans. The brush roll isn't removable on this, but you can have easy access to the brush roll using these two buttons here. So if you need to clean the brush roll or remove a blockage, you simply remove the front cover and we have easier access into the brush roll. So any pet hairs or human hairs that get wrapped around it, you can pick them off. There is a groove in the brush roll as well, so you can take a knife and just cut through if there's a load of hairs, and then you can easily pull them off. It's a shame you can't remove it, but it's still easier to get to with the special lid that comes off. The front roller will get grubby after some use. You can remove the front roller, and it is possible to wash this, not in a washing machine, just wash it, rinse it by hand under the tap, squeeze it out, leave it to dry, not over a direct heat source. Possibly 24 hours should be enough, and then you can pop it back in at the front here. I tend to find I've got plenty of Shark machines with this DuoClean roller. I tend to find that nothing seems to get wrapped around this roller. It stays pretty clear of any debris, but it will, after a few uses, start to get grubby, depending how dirty your carpets or floors are. Also, you have a cutout mechanism on the brush roll, so should you get anything jammed in this, it will cut off automatically, and this light here will illuminate to tell you there's a problem. All you have to do is switch the cleaner off and see where the problem is, see if you've got anything caught in the brush roll. When you turn the brush roll back on again, it should just automatically reset. There's a quick start guide attached to the cleaner which we need to remove. So basically you need to charge the battery up first before you use it. Let's just take that off. I'll just see how much charge is in the battery. I've fitted the battery. Here are the controls on the back. You've got a mains on button, and with this model you don't have to keep your finger on it. You just press it once and the cleaner stays on. You've also got settings for carpets and hard floors using this button here, and you've also got a boost. So if I turn it on, so you can see that there are two speed settings, and you select those by pressing this button here. And the other button here is for selecting carpets or hard floors. When in hard floor mode, the brushes continue to rotate, but they rotate at a slower speed. When you switch it into carpet mode, the brushes rotate faster. That will only work, of course, when I've got the motorized head attached. The status of the battery is indicated by these three lights actually on the battery pack itself. So when I turn it on, it will show me how much charge is left in this particular battery. So as you can see, it does need charging because I've only got one light illuminated. So I need to plug this in for several hours until all the lights are illuminated, and then I can use the machine for the first time. There are a couple of filters on this Shark Cordless that need cleaning monthly, and they're located under this door here. So you just open it up and we can see the filter. You just pull the filter out, and it comes in two parts. We've got the sponge part, which can separate from this fabric part. Both of these parts are washable, easy to wash. Rinse them under running water. If they're very dirty, you can submerge them in water, give them a shake, squeeze out the sponge and shake the other part of the filter. Leave them to dry for up to 24 hours, and then you can reassemble them before putting them back in the machine. And it fits on the top, just slots in here. If I can get it in, there we are. And then of course make sure you pop the lid back on correctly. Locate it at the front first. It's a while since I've used one of these. And then it locks into position. This is the dirt container. It isn't removable, but to empty it, you just take your cleaner outside to the bin and you press the empty button here, and that will open. It hasn't opened because it's brand new, but when they're new, they always stick. Second time it should work. Yes. The dirt should come out. There is a central shroud as well in the middle. Now I'm not sure if that comes out or not. Don't think it does on this machine. It does on some of the larger sharks. That will get wrapped around with hairs from time to time, so you need to keep your eye on that. And it's a case of, I'm afraid, having to put your hand in and pulling out any debris that's caught around. That might happen if you've got pets or people with long hair. Most of the debris should end up in the bin, which should just fall out when you empty the cleaner. Well, that's the machine itself. Apart from, there is a final filter as well that is washable. You shouldn't really have to wash that as much as the pre-motor filter, but just check that from time to time. And that fits back there. So this is where the exhaust air comes out of this machine. Of course, to use it as a handheld, you can attach any of the small tools directly to the machine for doing all your nooks and crannies and your dusting jobs. If you want to, you can connect the DuoClean head directly to the suction unit for cleaning stairs. That will just clip in there, and now you can do your carpeted stairs with this. You could also do stairs if they don't have carpets on, obviously in the hard floor setting. But it's when you're using the machine as an upright for doing your main flooring, your carpets and floors, you need to release the unit or the wand, and you can do this with your foot. I'm doing it with my hand for now. You've got a wand release button that just removes the unit, but of course we can now attach the main wand, and the wand just plugs in like this until it clicks, and then the cleaner fits into the top of the wand until it clicks. To store the machine, all you have to do is press the button on the back and fold it over. The same button can be used to bend the wand for cleaning under low furniture. Okay, I'll just give this shark a little bit of a go, turning on and making sure I select the carpet setting. Well, it's relatively quiet, not as quiet as some vacuum cleaners, it's not too bad. It's quite tall though, that's one fault I find. If you're a very short person, you might find it quite tall. Now, I have purchased this for my mother, who is very petite. And the reason I didn't get her a shark in the first place when she was looking for a cordless cleaner was the fact that I thought it would be too tall for her. So I suggested she went with a Dyson V6 Fluffy, which she's had for about 18 months, up to 2 years. She's not too keen on the Dyson because it gets rather messy to empty. It's one of the older versions without the self-cleaning shroud. I did mention the shark and said I thought it would be too tall for her. But my mother's answer was, well, it would just be further away, which is right, because of course you can hold the shark. So no matter if you're 4 foot tall or 6 foot tall, obviously you can hold the handle, whichever is most comfortable. It's very flexible, very manoeuvrable. Anyway, I'm going to do some full tests on this before I give it to my mum. And then this will be her daily cleaner for her general cleaning around the home. So I'll be looking into this at a later date to see how she likes it, see if she gets on with this better than she got on with the Dyson. I think she'll like the fact that it will store in the corner of her kitchen and charge up next to the wall socket like that. She doesn't have to attach it to the wall. I think she'll like it, to be honest. So we will see. I will do another demonstration video of this, and also a follow-up video, maybe in about 6 months, and I'll find out how my mum got on with this Shark DuoClean. I've made this video today to tell you that this is on offer. As I said, it's in Shark's Easter sale at the moment for £200. You'll find it for around that price from most major retailers, including Argos, Currys and very.co.uk. If you have any comments or questions about this Shark cordless cleaner, please comment below, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.